Well, hello there. Happy Wednesday. Hope you're ready for another exciting day of remote learning and another exciting day of learning about subtracting to compare in word problems. So here we go. So subtract to compare in word problems. All right, let's start here. It says solve the equations. Well, the first question says, or equation says 8 take away 5. Well, if I start from 5 and count on to 8, how many will I have left? So let's start with 5 and count on to 8. So we'll stop at 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. When I counted, I put up 3 fingers, or we also counted 3 numbers between 5 and 8. So 5, 6, 7, and then 8. You could also use your fingers and put up 8 fingers and put 5 down, and you would have 3 left over. So if 8 take away 5 is 3, 5 plus what equals 8? Well, if I start at 5 and count on to 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, I put 3 fingers up again. Notice that our answer is the same as when we're adding the lowest number. Now, if we had 8 take away 3, that would equal 5. So then 3 plus 5 equals 8. Let's try this one. So 4 minus 3. Well, I know that 3 is just 1 less than 4. So that means 4 minus 3 is 1. And 3 plus 1 equals 4. Here's a new problem for today. It says, there are 5 pieces of cheese and 8 mice. Are there fewer mice or pieces of cheese? How many mice do not get cheese? So this is a problem that's asking 2 questions. So first, let's highlight the important information. What's this problem about? Well, it's about cheese and how there's 5 pieces of cheese. It's also about mice. And how many mice are there? 8. There are 8 mice. Now let's underline the important questions. So are there fewer mice or pieces of cheese? And how many mice do not get cheese? So the important keyword in that first question is fewer. So we want to know which has the least amount, cheese or mice. And we want to know how many mice do not get cheese. Let's solve this problem on the next slide. So we need to find 8 take away 5. So we're going to start with 5. 5 and how many more make 8? Well, if we have 5, we know 3 more make 8. And if we have 8 take away 5, when we start with 5 in our calculators and count on to 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, we have 3. So in our picture, we have our mice that are gray circles and our cheese that are yellow triangles. Here we matched up the cheese to the mice. So which one has the least amount? The cheese. The cheese has the least amount. So there are fewer cheese. So there's fewer cheese. How many mice did not get cheese? So how many mice did not get cheese? Well, if we look at our picture, these 3 don't have cheese. So that means 3 mice did not get cheese. Here's a new problem. Let's get our highlighter and let's read the problem. It says Joy has 6 square stickers. She has 2 circle stickers. How many fewer circle stickers does she have? Well, what's the problem about? We know it's about square stickers and circle stickers. She has 6 squares and 2 circles. And the question is asking, how many fewer circle stickers does she have? So let's draw our picture. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 square stickers. Let's draw blue circle stickers. So 1, 2. So we know in the problem we need to do 6 take away 2 to find out how many fewer she has. So let's match our stickers. We have 1 and 2. How many should be here? Well, we can look at the squares. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We can double check our answer by counting on, put 2 in our calculator and count on to 6. While you're counting, make sure to put your fingers up because we want to make sure we have 4 fingers up when we stop at 6. So put 2 in your calculator and get ready to count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 4 fingers up. So there are 4 fewer circle stickers because we can see that there are 4 more red square stickers. Here's our last problem for today. Let's get our highlighter so we can highlight the important information. So let's read it first. 7 strawberries on a plate. 2 blueberries on a plate. How many fewer blueberries? Well, what's the problem about? Well, I'm going to use red for strawberries. And how many do we have? 7. And we have 2 blueberries. How many blueberries? 2. The question is asking how many fewer blueberries. So if we draw a picture, I'm just going to draw lines for the strawberries. So, or a little dot. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how many blueberries do we have? 2. 1, 2. So we need to do 7 take away 2 because the 7 represents our strawberries and the 2 represents our blueberries. So we need to figure out how many less does the blueberries have? How many fewer blueberries are there? Let's match up the strawberries to blueberries. Well, if we look, there's no more blueberries left. We have these strawberries left over, which will mean this is our answer to this to put here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strawberries, 5 more strawberries. So that means there are 5 fewer blueberries. How many fewer blueberries? 5, because we can look at this picture and see here that there's no blueberries left. So that means we plug this number in to our answer. So there are 5 fewer blueberries. And that's the end of our slideshow for today. So now it's your turn to practice. So you're going to be able to do your iReady practice paper. And if you have any questions, comments, or you're not sure exactly what to do, you can always shoot me an email and I'd be very happy to help. You can shoot me a text, or you can always give me a call on my cell phone. Your parents have the number. So I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday, and I hope to see you very, very soon. I miss you lots and lots. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.